That's probably fine. Oh, it's not fine. So, I found something for my F-150, and we're going to be fixing it today and hopefully putting it on because it is completely broken. I'm just going to get straight into it because I am dripping with sweat. Like, it is not even funny. So, as you guys know, I have two mint tailgate panels that I was planning on putting on this truck. But, you know, our tailgate's kind of beat up and the whole inside is smashed in. So, I just decided to find a new tailgate. I was planning on finding one that I could just paint, and I found this. Now, it has 0 dents at all, but it will blend into my truck just fine because that's what the entire truck looks like. On the inside, it's actually mint. It is not smashed in at all. It's perfectly straight. And I have another tailgate panel, so that's cool. Yeah, so this handle, I don't know what it is from or why they put it on, but apparently it bends and it also pulls in and out. The chains are gone, that's rusted to hell, and there are bolts missing, so... we have our work cut out for us. I'm gonna probably start taking apart this one first because the insides are probably shot because it's seized, I know that. And then once I actually figure out how to do it the right way, I'm gonna take the guts out of this and swap them. And then hopefully we can put this on my truck and see how it looks. So first I'm gonna get the panel off and you guys can see how smashed this thing really is. It's pretty bad. Okay, here we go. Wow. Yeah, I didn't miss that at all. Yeah, this one, it's like really bad. Yeah, so basically, if you don't know how the tailgate panels mount, on the back of these, there are these plastic things. Those go all the way through the tailgate, and they screw in right here. The issue with mine is because it's smashed in, it's literally going to stick like half an inch out from the tailgate, so. I only paid, what was it, like 130 bucks for this, which is really cheap for this, honestly. Yeah, I really wasn't planning on finding exactly what I wanted, especially in my color, because it's obviously really hard to find. So I lucked out on this one. I'm also kind of tired of looking at these rusted screws in the tailgate. So I'm thinking I might grind the heads down and fog them black. I'm going to take the tailgate panel off this thing first. All right, here we go. Nice. All right, so now I'm going to try to get the access panel off, and we can see what they did to put that handle in and why everything is falling off. So I'm noticing a lot of this stuff everywhere, and I'm wondering if they did concrete or something because it is all over this tailgate. All right, so I have some very interesting findings. I noticed some paint was peeling, and underneath we have a metallic red. So that's kind of weird. Then I started peeling off more paint, and that is the factory metallic green. So this tailgate was actually repainted at some point. Yeah, considering how like scratched up and stuff this tailgate is, this must have been not long after it was brand new. So, all right, anyway, it's time to get this piece off. Wow, that is pretty bad. Let me clean it up first, and then we'll take a look at it. I'm not seeing any other green throughout this, so that's interesting. That is dirty though. So I don't think these are locked up, but they're not great, so I'm probably just gonna switch on mine. Actually, yeah, the bolts aren't even right. That's weird. Well, hopefully that's not that hard to switch. I'll find out in a minute. This is definitely the exact same shade of blue, so I really don't know if it was repainted, but it looks like it. It's gotta be, because that's metallic green. That's not primer. Damn, there's no way I'm gonna be able to get that out. I'm curious why it's so... Oh, that shouldn't be that hard to switch, actually. Why are we still stuck? Oh, it's this. It's this stupid latch. There we go. You want this? 20 bucks. No, I'm kidding. 5 bucks, it's yours. 50 bucks. 10. 1. 15. Nope. $7, you can have this. Get it out of my garage. Yeah, so this was 100% a green tailgate. Should we try to take the rest of it out? I'm gonna go for it. Okay, that's one out. Got it. This is actually really easy. You just squeeze these two, push them down. Okay, now it's out. Why does this have to be 837 degrees out? Look at me, I'm a pro at this. And just like that, there is nothing inside of this tailgate. Oh, I kind of broke this. How did that fall off? Oh, yeah, I'm an idiot. Okay, so I guess we could just start switching it over now. Yeah, because I wasn't worried about breaking the stuff inside this tailgate, but the one in mine I actually need, so. It was actually super straightforward though. If you want to do this, you can. And if you can't, then you can. It's that easy. Somebody quote me on that. Still weighs a lot, but it's tolerable now. What is in this tailgate? What the hell? I'm actually kind of scared. Wait a minute. I thought something was weird about that. So the bolts that came out of this tailgate, they're a lot different than the factory ones. I'm gonna use them still because I don't care, but that's interesting. Why is there oil on my tailgate? Why is there more oil? Where is this coming from? Yeah, that's what it's supposed to look like. Okay, yeah, that is 100% repainted. As you can see, this is just metal, the plastic is yellow, and this is just primer, whereas that is just everything's blue on it. I'm really shocked though that there's no orange peel on this tailgate. Like, they actually did a pretty damn good job. Yo, my tailgate is broken. I split my tailgate. Yeah, that's not supposed to be like that. On both sides, too, actually. I split it on both sides. There we go. No wonder it moved around, is because this is not even for this truck, I don't think. Probably not. $7. Boom. My tailgate gonna break if I do this? It's probably fine. You know what I hate? The absence of people who know how to work on their own stuff. That's probably fine. Oh, it's not fine. Oh, my washer thingy fell out. It's fine. Oh, it broke. I should probably clean this thing first. Okay, I'm gonna go wash this tailgate really quick. Alright, so I got the new tailgate on. My phone shut off because it got to like 923.7 degrees or something like that. I don't know. Yeah, so I'm gonna start putting everything back together, and yeah, we'll see how it looks. There we go. Stop! Where's that damn ratchet? Give it. Nope, that's not the right one. Oh, for Pete's sake. That looks good. Looks like they had a panel on it at some point. I broke the ratchet for the second time. It literally will not turn. There it goes. Is that a V8 plane? Who made that? I want to know. Oh my god, that is... What the... It literally looks like a Boeing 747, but just tiny. You're gonna pop out, buddy. Oh no, please don't break. It broke. So I'm just gonna use these. Ow. That hurt a lot, but it's okay, I think. No, there's a hole in my hand. There's actually like a really deep hole in my hand. Ow, ow, ow. Okay. I think we're all set on that. Here we go. That sounded really bad. I guess now we just put it back together. Perfect. Alright, now we can put the panel back on. There she is. Man, that looks good. Okay, so, my phone overheated for the second time, but, I lost like 10 minutes of footage, so it's all together. It looks really, really, really good. I'm filming on my old phone right now. Obviously, this isn't the best tailgate panel, but, I mean, it kind of matches the truck, so. I do have to drill out the holes for the, inside liner thing. But yeah, no more gaps at the bottom of the bed. That's a first. I don't even think my drill bits will fall out of this thing. That's awesome. Yeah, there was like a 1-inch gap before and everything would fall out of the back of the bed. I hated it. So it's the next day because my ABS light came on and I spent like 3 hours fixing that yesterday. And 2.5 hours into it, I finally realized it was just a sensor on the axle, so that was fun. But yeah, it's out in the sun. I buffed the whole top of the tailgate, and it came out really, really good. I still have to polish the tailgate panel, and I might try to wet sand this and get all the scratches out, but we'll see. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end it at that. If you guys like my content, please like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.